Okay. What do you want me to do?
On the door.
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna use on the door.
Are you gonna wear my watch?
Yeah? Go to the office?
I'm gonna call the office?
Yeah.
Why?
I want you to go to the office.
What's going on at the office?
They have stuff. There's lots of stuff at the office. There's lots of stuff.
What kind of stuff?
That happened Mother's Day. That was the most.
What was yesterday?
A goat.
What did you make me a present? Where's my present?
What's your present?
Is that it?
We just.
What's on your table?
This is your present.
Yeah, what's it for?
It's for having more. Achoo!
Achoo, what's the present for? Huh? What's this for? Turn
Achoo!
the light on.
Here, and then here's the card that goes with it.
Turn the light on.
I'm going to.
Is this the card with it?
That's the card with it?
Yeah.
And what's the card for? What's the card for, dude?
Is the what?
Where's my present? Did it fall on the floor? Can you pick it up? What's that for?
It's me. It's the Gooper.
It's the goober.
A roof for me.
What is it?
It's me.
It's a picture of you?
Yeah. It's the Gooper.
It's a goober. And what'd you make it for?
That's you what? That. No. No. No.